Are you throwing money in the trash every single week without even recognizing it? Most people are, and it's all because of one simple mistake: storing their fruits and veggies the wrong way. But today, I'm going to show you how to fix that. And once you do, you'll save money, reduce waste, and keep your food fresh way longer. If you ever opened your fridge and found soggy spinach or moldy berries, drop a thumbs up in the chat, because you know what? You're not alone. Hey, I'm Shane. I help busy women simplify nutrition and fitness so they can finally get real results without stress or confusion. My mission is to teach you how to make small, smart changes that are big impact on your health, starting right now in your kitchen. Here's the truth: storing your fruits and veggies correctly can double their shelf life, but most people get it completely wrong. That's why they're wasting food and money every single week. All right, let's make this super clear. Moisture is the #1 enemy of fresh produce. Too much and things rot. Too little and they dry out. Some produce produces ethylene gas, a natural ripening agent, and storing those next to sensitive foods causes them to spoil faster. Golden rule #1: keep ethylene producing fruits away. Bananas, apples, avocados give off ethylene. That means if you store them next to your leafy greens or berries, they'll rot in days instead of lasting a week. Golden rule #2: fridge versus counter. So bananas, tomatoes, pears, citrus, room temperature. Broccoli, leafy greens, carrots, fridge in breathable bags or containers. Berries, don't wash until you're ready to eat, and store with a paper towel to absorb the moisture. Golden rule #3: don't suffocate your produce. Air circulation is key. Store veggies in produce drawers with vent settings adjusted: high humidity for leafy greens, low humidity apples and peppers. Golden rule #4: prep smart. Stop and store carrots, celery, or bell peppers in water to keep them crisp for up to 2 weeks. And if you're meal prepping, glass containers are your best friend. They help maintain moisture balance. Real life example: I had a client who was spending $40 a week on fresh produce and throwing half of it away because it spoiled too fast. After following these steps, she cut that waste to almost zero, and her food stayed fresh for twice as long. How many of you wash your berries right when you get home? Be honest, that's the #1 fruit or veg that always goes bad too fast in your fridge. All right, just be honest with me. Are you gonna fix that today? Leave a comment below. And also tag a friend who needs to stop wasting. The difference between spoiled food or fresh, vibrant produce isn't luck. It's knowledge. Once you know where to store everything, you stop wasting money, stop wasting food, and actually enjoy what you buy. No more slimy spinach, no more moldy berries. Thank you for joining me today. If you found this helpful, be sure to share with someone who might need to hear this message. Remember, prioritizing yourself is a choice you'll never regret. See you next time.